you want to see rhinos in the true flesh blood, I mean, it's rhinos galore here. It beats Nairobi National Park. It beats Masai Mara. You don't just see the odd one or two rhinos. They were everywhere. I mean, they are majestic, big, giant creatures, and really, really nice to get up and close and personal to see them. Hey guys, so today we are near Nanyuki, Solio Game Reserve. This is a rhino sanctuary and over 200 rhinos. So I'm excited to check it out and see what it's all about. Hello.
For you to see the rhino, you have to do like a game drive.
Okay.
Our charges for non-resident.
No, we're citizens, yeah.
Citizen, it's 27.30.
Wow.
Resident, it's 33.60. And for the vehicle, it's 840.
Okay. And then is there like off-road or you stick to the track?
You're supposed to stay on main road, no off-roads.
So I believe this game park has more than 200 rhinos. It's like a rhino sanctuary.
Yes.
Okay. Where do the rhinos come from? Like some are rescued, some are born here.
Mostly about here.
Okay.
Because we are the people who have the high population of rhinos in Kenya, in Africa.
In Africa. Has populations of rhinos in one area.
Yes.
Okay, nice, interesting. What else? Ben, any other questions?
I hear there are white rhinos and black rhinos, so what are we going to see there?
Mostly white, because the white are so many. Black, they usually hide a lot. So you may not spot black, but they're there.
Okay.
Yes, but
So-
white are everywhere.
Yeah. So white rhinos, I believe, are the ones with the big mouth.
White mouth, yeah.
White, and it's a wide mouth, so they graze. The black rhinos are smaller mouth, and they have an arched back.
Yes.
Curved.
This one is black.
So that's how you can tell the difference. Not that they look white or black. It's the same color, gray.
I thought so. Okay.
Yeah, they look the same.
Great, excited to check out the rhinos. So I can see there's a baby and a mother. That looks like a white rhino with the shape of its mouth and a huge horn on it. I don't know if it's a rhino or a rock. Oh, rhinos. Wow. Oh, it's really good.
So those are black rhinos, right?
I don't know. Yeah, they look black. Because from the mouth, I think. And the arched back.
Yeah.
And that one is definitely the male, the one at the back. Okay, they're coming to us again.
Don't you dare.
They're like, what are you doing checking us out?
Mind your business.
Wow. Actually, I've not seen rhinos this up close
Yeah.
in like in a pack or herd, whatever you call them. They didn't warn us on the gate whether they would charge or not.
They didn't even tell us what we should do.
Never seen it this close.
It's massive.
Massive, massive. So we're back. We finished the Solio Game Reserve, and let me tell you, what an experience! If you want to see rhinos in the true flesh blood, I mean, it's rhinos galore here. There were about more than 200 rhinos, black rhinos, white rhinos, babies, just grazing all over the park. It beats Nairobi National Park. It beats Masai Mara. You don't just see the odd one or two rhinos. They were everywhere, and it was amazing. So, I mean, they are majestic, big, giant creatures, and really, really nice to get up and close and personal to see them. Hey, so we're back at the hotel. We're at Soames. It's time to chill and relax. We just got back in time. It started drizzling, so I anticipate heavy rain. So it's a good thing we got back and not got stuck in the park. The plan tomorrow is go to Old Pajeta. That's another beautiful park ahead of Nanyuki. Nice and intimate park. I like it. And we hope to see the Big Five. So let's look forward to that. Catch you later.